When it comes to working on electrical setups or fixing appliances, relying on guesswork can be risky. The smartest and safest way to get accurate readings is by using a digital multimeter. It's a simple tool that makes troubleshooting easier and helps you avoid costly mistakes. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best digital multimeters available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these multimeters, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the KAIWEETS Digital Multimeter, a tool built with a wide electrical range that makes it perfect for demanding jobs. It can measure up to 1,000 volts in direct current, 750 volts in alternating current, and currents up to 10 amperes. It also checks resistances up to 60 megaohms plus capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, temperature, diodes, and continuity, giving you a very complete option for different tasks. This device has a resolution of 6,000 counts, so it shows values in a very detailed and reliable way. Its backlit display of almost 3 inches makes readings easier, even in low light areas, and it has polarity indicators, low battery warnings, and overload alerts to avoid mistakes during use. For safety, it's designed to handle high voltage conditions. It comes with dual ceramic fuses, an internal system that protects against overloads, and double insulation. On top of that, the silicone cover keeps it safe from bumps, giving you more confidence while working in tougher environments. One of its most practical features is the non-contact voltage detection, which warns with lights and sound if you get close to a live wire. It also has LED lights on the input ports to guide you on where to connect the test leads correctly, making the process safer and easier. Among its extra functions, it includes minimum, maximum, and average modes, data hold on the screen, auto shut-off to save power, and a kickstand on the back so you can keep it steady on the workbench. It comes ready to use right out of the box with test leads, a temperature probe, batteries, and a user manual. Its design is both tough and comfortable, with a thick silicone case that absorbs drops, large easy-to-turn buttons, a built-in flashlight, and a balanced weight that makes it practical whether you're at home or on the job. Next up, we have the ASTROAI Digital Multimeter, a very complete tool for anyone looking for accuracy and reliability when working with electricity. It measures alternating and direct voltage from 200 millivolts up to 600 volts, direct current up to 10 amperes, and very high resistances. Thanks to its precision, it's great for household projects as well as car maintenance. Safety is one of its strongest features. It includes dual fuses to prevent damage from overloads, a silicone case that protects against drops and reduces electrical risks, and it also meets international safety standards. All of this makes it a trustworthy device even in more demanding conditions. The backlit display is easy to read with large digits, polarity indicators, low battery alerts, and overload warnings. It also has a data hold function to freeze readings on the screen and an auto shutoff mode that saves power when not in use. This meter is very versatile since it can test continuity with a buzzer, check diodes, batteries, outlets, and fuses. That makes it useful not only for hobbyists who want to keep their home safe, but also for people who need to diagnose electrical problems in vehicles. In terms of speed, it offers about 2 readings per second, and the rotary dial is very intuitive. The continuity buzzer lets you focus on the work without always checking the screen, while the backlight makes it easier to use in dim spaces. The package includes test leads, a user manual, and a 9-volt battery already installed, so it's ready to go right out of the box. The built-in stand helps keep it in a comfortable position while working. Its compact size, silicone cover, and textured edges make it easy to carry and perfect for fitting inside any toolbox without taking up too much room. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the TESMEN TM510 Digital Multimeter, a device designed for people who need precise and reliable voltage readings in both alternating and direct current. It can measure from 0.8 up to 600 volts, with very low error margins that make it trustworthy even when working on delicate circuits. One of its most convenient features is the auto ranging mode, which automatically adjusts the measurement range so the user doesn't have to set it manually. It also comes with non-contact voltage detection, warning you with light and sound when it gets close to a live wire, making it both practical and safe. The backlit display with 4,000 counts provides clear readings, shows an overload warning if limits are exceeded, and has a low battery indicator. It also includes a data hold function that freezes the measurement on the screen, which is really helpful when you can't write down the value right away. When it comes to safety, this model has a Cat2 600 volt certification and complies with multiple international standards. Its silicone-coated housing protects against drops and helps reduce electrical risks, making it suitable for home use as well as small workshops. It does not measure current, which can be a limitation in some tasks. Still, for those who only need to check voltages, resistances, or continuity, it's a highly efficient and easy-to-use tool. With a lightweight build of about 0.22 pounds and a compact size, it's easy to carry in a case or even in your pocket. It runs on 2 included batteries, so it's ready to use right away. It works well in temperatures from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, with safe storage between 14 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, it offers a response frequency of 40 Hz to 1 kHz and about 3 readings per second, which helps track fast changes in the values being measured. Now let's move on to the KAIWEETS KM100 digital multimeter, a device with a wide electrical range that makes it very practical for different jobs. It can measure alternating and direct voltage up to 600 volts, direct current up to 10 amperes, and resistance up to 20 megaohms. Its accuracy makes it great for both home projects and car diagnostics. In terms of safety, it has a Cat 3 600-volt certification, along with dual fuses, one for smaller ranges and another for higher currents. It also includes overload protection in every mode, and its sturdy housing helps minimize risks, making it a reliable tool. This meter comes with several useful diagnostic functions such as voltage measurement, direct current, resistance, continuity with sound, and diode testing. While it does not measure alternating current, it still covers most basic electrical needs and proves to be very versatile. The backlit screen makes it easy to read in dim areas. It also has a data hold feature to freeze results, a low battery warning, and an overload signal, all of which add convenience and help prevent mistakes while working. Its compact and lightweight design, weighing only about 0.29 pounds, makes it easy to carry in a toolbox or even a backpack. It runs on 2 included batteries, so you can use it right away without extra purchases. The rotary dial is simple and intuitive, allowing you to start with higher ranges and lower them gradually when the exact voltage isn't known. This makes it especially helpful for beginners. Built with durable ABS plastic, replaceable fuses, and backed by a 3-year warranty, this unit is built to last. Having technical support available gives extra peace of mind for long-term use, whether at home or on the job. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, the KLEIN MM325 digital multimeter stands out for its wide measuring capacity. It can handle alternating and direct voltage up to 600 volts, direct current up to 10 amperes, and resistance up to 2 mega ohms. This makes it a very practical tool for home projects, car repairs, or even light electrical work in small industrial settings. For safety, it comes with LED alert technology, which uses LED lights to warn if the test leads are not properly connected. It also includes internal fuses, a shock-resistant housing, and a CAT 3 600-volt safety rating. All of this ensures safer handling and reduces risks while working in different environments. Its usefulness goes beyond measuring voltage, current, and resistance. It can also check continuity with sound, test diodes, and examine the condition of batteries. These features add versatility, making it a complete tool for various electrical diagnostics. Another strong point is its backlit display with large, easy-to-read digits. It also has a low battery indicator, which is extremely helpful so you don't run out of power in the middle of a job. This clear visibility makes it especially convenient for use in dim spaces or at night. In terms of durability, it can withstand drops of up to 6.6 feet, thanks to its strong materials and a design meant to last even in tough environments. The switches feel solid and give a sense of quality with every use. For extra convenience, it includes a kickstand on the back, a slot to hold the test leads, and the option for a magnetic hanger, making it easier to place while working. The manual controls are simple, allowing for easy and intuitive operation. It comes ready to use out of the box, with test leads, batteries, and a user manual included. This saves extra costs and ensures you can start using it right away. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect digital multimeter, or if there's another digital multimeter you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.